So I just wanted to show you my latest batch of bath powder, bath salts. And what I did was in this bowl mix in the Epsom salts and table salt and actually it was sea salt and soda. So 3 cups of Epsoms, 2 cups of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of essential oils, which I never use that much, and then 1 cup of baking soda. And once I mixed it in this bowl, put the essential oils into a squeezy bottle. No, it's a spray bottle. So I put some fractionated coconut as well as melted some just a regular coconut oil. Then, and I poured it in here. Then I put my essential oils, which is lavender, vanilla, and I just love the fecund of spikenard. And then I shook that up. So you want to put the essential oils into something that's going to emulsify into the bath. So then I shook it up and then I sprayed it. So I just finished spraying on here, and I'll keep stirring it, and then every few hours I'll stir it so it can dry a bit. And probably I'll wait until maybe tomorrow or the next day. Once it's going to be drier, then I'll package it up into the jars. But it's got this lovely fragrance, and it's just a great way of using essential oils in your bath, so that it will be, so that it'll dilute into the water. Because if you put straight essential oils into a bath, the oils just will sit on top of the water, and it really doesn't do a whole lot. Maybe you can get a little bit aroma through the olfactory, but it doesn't absorb into the body. So that's why you want to use some kind of emulsifier or agent that's going to let it move into the water more fully.